and go.
No,
Don't worry.
fast.
Restart the car.
Go backwards.
That's it, and go.
Oh.
Okay. The light fell off. Right. Ready? Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today, before we start Phoebe's driving lesson, which is on what topic today?
Roundabouts.
Yeah, roundabouts. So we're going on to big roundabouts. But before we do that, yeah, we're going to do this little exercise, which will definitely help to one, not stall, yeah, and just move off quicker, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So what normally happens, it's happened on your last few lessons as well, yeah, where if somebody gives you way or you're waiting somewhere, you feel, even you said you just want to get out of the way, yeah. Okay, so you feel that pressure. What happens? You end up rushing and most likely stalling as well, yeah. Happens with a lot of learners. So normally I like to do hills before we go on to roundabouts, but we haven't covered them yet. But this exercise will definitely help, yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you to move off. I'm going to put you under a bit of pressure. Yeah, we're just going to do some moving and stopping, yeah, but really quickly. Okay, so what do you normally do with the clutch and the brake when you move off?
You have to clutch this biting point and then...
Yep, and then the biting point, what do you do with the accelerator?
You like rev it a little bit, so you've got some acceleration to
Good.
move off.
That's the key thing, using that acceleration beforehand. Yeah, and enough of it to help you move quicker. Mm-hmm. Okay, what a lot of learners tend to do, you know, when they're in that situation when they have to move off quickly, like I said, we're going to do roundabouts. There's a gap there, and if you want to move off quickly, they rush off the clutch and they always end up stalling. Yeah. Okay, so hopefully doing this will get rid of the stalling. Yeah. Okay, so for this exercise, observations, I've got all those for you. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Like I said, I'm just going to put you under a bit of pressure and ask you to move off quickly and then just stop and move. Right, so if you could start the car when you're ready.
What are they doing?
Cancel, don't put any signal on just yet. I think they're just parked up at the moment. They have been there for a few minutes now. So, yeah. So let's see how quickly you can just move the car. Okay, cancel your signal. Stop the car here now. Okay, go.
Was it supposed to slam on though?
Yeah, that's fine. Move quick. Okay, and stop again. Right, and go.
Ooh. Oh no, that's too much.
No, that's fine. I can stop
I
there.
don't wanna...
Stop. Or rather, you have that too much than the shakiness.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know that acceleration there. Don't be scared of doing that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, your car won't like zoom off if you're doing what you're doing with the clutch like there. If you rush off the clutch quickly, yeah, then there's a chance of the car skidding off. Yeah. Right. Go.
Oh, that is horrible. The noise.
Okay, stop. See, this is what you got to get used to. Or rather, you get used to that here in this kind of environment, yeah, rather than on the busy, big roundabouts. Right, just imagine there's about 10 cars behind you and everyone's expecting you to move off as fast as possible. Go.
Oh, no, stalled.
There you go, there was the pressure, yeah. Okay, stop the car there. Stop. Okay, no, put the handbrake down. But no, put the brake down. Yeah, okay, keep your foot on the brake.
That's what it is, I can't keep my foot, I can't get off with the brake quick enough without rolling backwards to get onto the accelerator.
That's why we're doing this now.
That's why I put the handbrake on.
That's why we're doing this. It gets a lot easier with the handbrake, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we, like I said, we're not in an environment where we're causing any danger or anything, yeah. Okay, I've got that for you. Okay, so this is just practice, yeah. Mess up as many times as you want, but within the next few minutes, I want you to feel, yeah, I can move off quickly now. Okay. Go.
Oh my gosh.
Stop. That was very good. And there's an angry driver behind you. Go. Oh. Okay, now the car's still on. Go.
Oh, hang on.
That driver's swearing. Go.
Oh no.
Go.
Hang on. I forgot that I was moving.
Right, ready? Go.
Oh. Why do I keep doing that?
Don't worry. Okay, and restart the car. So what do you think the stalling happened?
Because my foot's coming too half the clutch.
Yeah, you're coming off, yeah. Okay.
I know why, but I keep doing it anyway.
So try and keep the clutch how you normally do, but just use more acceleration. Like we've worked out, you're scared of that acceleration noise, yeah? The engine noise. That's not an issue.
The noise is horrible. You don't hear people razzing around.
Ready? Go. Okay, and stop there.
Well, that
See how
was
the car
okay.
nearly stalled there?
Yeah.
Still rushing off the clutch a bit, yeah. Use a bit more acceleration with it. Go!
No.
Okay, and stop.
Well, I don't understand why I can't do it now.
We're going to keep practicing until you get it. Okay, keep your hands on the steering. And let's see what that vehicle's doing, yeah. As soon as they emerge out, yeah. And that's it, and stop. See, you know when I say to you, nice and easy, don't rush. Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, you never end up stalling. But when I'm putting you under a bit of pressure, yeah, it's not happening. Go and stop.
I think what it is my foot's already halfway off the clutch, but then I end up lifting it further up off the clutch.
You know exactly what's going wrong as well. It's just about practice. Like, you can have all the knowledge, yeah. Okay, it's about the practice. So this is what we're doing. We're practicing it. Yeah. Don't stress if you're getting it wrong. Go. Excellent.
Oh,
That'll do. See, I'd rather have that.
But then it's the noise.
It doesn't matter. What would you
Everyone
rather
else
do?
has
Would you
a
rather
water.
have noise, or would you stall and hold everyone up?
No, I'd rather have the noise.
Say it again.
I'd rather have the noise.
You'd
but
rather
it's
have.
just
Yeah,
horrible,
exactly.
isn't it?
Ready? Go.
It just sounds so like.
And stop. And go. And stop. This time, you do what you're doing, but I want you to, once the car starts moving, bring the clutch all the way up, yeah. Okay. And go.
No,
Don't worry.
fast.
Restart the car.
Go backwards.
That's it. And go.
Oh.
Okay. The light fell off. Right. Ready? And go. And stop. Right, I don't know why you're so happy with the light falling on my head. Okay, right.
It's just the way you move.
Right, so a couple of times when we've actually stalled, yeah. Even if this happens on the roundabouts when we get there, react like you're reacting. Okay, just restart the car and go again.
Okay.
Okay, right, ready, go.
Oh no.
And stop. And go.
Am I supposed to be slamming on the brakes? Oh my god.
Right, I'm not using that light anymore. Okay. Right, let me just get you out of the way. Right, a couple of more times. Go.
No.
Okay, there's a car behind us now, yeah? Okay, brake,
Not
brake,
really thinking
that's
about
it,
this, go.
and go. See, a bit more gas this time again, and stop. See, that shakiness that we had there, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get rid of that. Go. Don't restart it, but don't let the car roll back. Good, and
No,
go.
I keep. No.
Even if you stall, I want to see a good reaction. Okay, don't take your hands off the steering. Go. And stop. And go. Good. And stop. That was good. That was smooth, wasn't it? Yeah? Okay. Work on the smoothness. Go. That's it. And stop. And go. Rest of the clutch up as well. That's it. Good. And stop. And go. So needed a bit more gas there. Clutch was brilliant there, yeah? Okay. Let's overtake this lorry. Let's go past this junction. Just make sure it's clear. Yep, stop here. Just stop. Stop, stop, stop. Quick, go, there's a car coming. Go, go, go.
Why do I keep doing that? Well, I do, but.
See, that was a bit of extra pressure there. Okay, these guys seem as if they're stop. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah.
I'm not going to break the car doing that. If I keep like going to.
Stop here. Stop. No, just here, just
Oh,
here.
okay.
And go. Oh, that's gear 3. My bad. I forgot you were in gear 2. Go. There we go. And park up on the left.
Oh,
Okay,
no,
let's go a bit
that's-
more forward.
That's the middle of the road, that is.
And slightly to the right. That'll do. Stop there. Okay. So do you understand why we just did that?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you do stall, Okay, here a couple of times. As soon as you stalled, you went like that. Okay, how should you react?
Just turn it back on.
Turn it back on. Okay, you understand how to react, yeah.
I
And
think
you,
it's because I know there's nothing, I'm not actually doing it. That's why I keep doing it.
Yeah, but this is what happens. We're going to go out onto roundabouts, yeah. And if you do have to stop and wait, and it's busy, yeah, you're going to feel that bit of pressure, and hopefully this will help you out a little bit now, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Are we ready for roundabouts?
Yeah.
Good. So guys, yeah, that was it. Make sure you practice this before you do go out to busy roundabouts, especially this technique, yeah, or steep hills, and yeah, that should get rid of the stalling. And yeah, we're going to continue with our lesson on roundabouts, so don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.